Okay, me and Molly are gonna take you for a tour. Well, she thinks she's going outside, but she doesn't have her collar on. No, you can't go outside, dog. Okay, you gotta stay here. All right. Some pretty little flowers. Yeah, sorry, hon. These have all died. I'm just kidding. They're still living. And your windmill, it still spins. Some sunflowers down here. They're trying to grow. All right, let's go to the back. And a doggy again. Haven't seen the kitties. Somewhere. All right, carrots in there. I put some more radishes like in there. And the strawberries are going pretty good. But we ate them all. There's some blooms. Another little strawberry in there. And over here, these tomatoes are going gangbusters. If half of these blossoms like make a fruit, that'll be amazing. So there's one in there. These are heirloom tomatoes. They're gonna be big, ugly, multicolor. Oh, look, hun. There's 4 in there. I saw some more too. Oh yeah, look all down here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me find the tag. Okay, that's what those are. And then some raspberries that weren't doing well. They were in this one, and then I put them in there, and for some reason I think they just needed more water. This guy was struggling. He had 2 arms just completely broken off, but they haven't died off yet. But so there's tomatoes coming. They're all over. It's like an Easter egg hunt. I'll find the tag for that. And oh yeah, so these guys right here, they're gonna turn purple. So here's the tag. Indigo rose. They're purple. So let's see what happens. And rosemary that was in the house last year that I wintered over. This guy's it's kind of like a sweet 100 or sweet 1000 tomato, but it's orange. And this is what I showed Trish this morning. There's one orange one for Trish to eat when she gets home. And here's the tag. Sun sugar. I thought I must have grabbed the other one. I thought I grabbed the one that was more, it looks like a watermelon, but like small. But this is a yellow or an orange cherry tomato, pretty much. Trish's lilies are done, but I've got cool pictures. This is one we just needed to put something in a pot. Here comes a doggy. So this guy is that an orange something or other firecracker flower, but it just keeps just popping up little flowers up the whole way. And down here, this guy's pretty neat. This is that I can't even pronounce that, and I'm a plant guy, but it's pretty cool. And over here, a hodgepodge of stuff. The focal guy in the middle is a Gayardia. They make these little red, like a little small button flower, kind of a they're called an Indian blanket flower. And there's a bunch of different flavors of these, but that's perennial. That'll come back. This guy here is Crocosmia. They come in straight yellow, orange, red and orange, or like super vibrant red, and they just keep making flowers. All just pop little flowers up and down the stalk. Upside down, but still. Oh, I think my girlfriend just texted me. I should tell her not to bug me when I'm making a video. And her other lilies in the corner, I got pictures of those. And this guy right here, we have no idea what the heck it is. It was a volunteer, just a super little tiny plant in the strawberries. And I was like, wow, it's got to be something. But there's a ton of blossoms on there. So then when I look in here, I see one right here. It's got the weirdest structure. It could be a weed. Who the heck knows? But where are you at? Right here. Look how they got like a little hand, and they just drop like a bunch of little somethings. It's got to be some sort of a tomato. You know, looking at the leaf, maybe I thought it was a tomatillo before, but I've never seen weeds, like a straight up weed, grow this vigorously and then have these fruit on here that just, I don't know what they do, but we'll just see. It's probably nightshade, and it's like poisonous. And the other big raspberry plant, again, I think I screwed this one up this year. I didn't know what I was cutting, so I learned that the branches that are fruiting this year, you'll cut these, and then like these guys that don't do anything, I think you might trim like halfway, but the others you just cut down and done. It's a one and done. So next year, this thing should be just pints of fruit. All right, here's Trisha's favorite, and I wish it wasn't so bright to see it, but the colors on this is so, it looks red right now, but it's actually like a super purple. And it's all these red blooms, and there's little white flowers down the way. And this is a trumpet vine. There's a picture of that. It attracts butterflies and all that stuff. It's going up. hummingbirds is what I was trying to figure out. I go up there. I got one gonna go this way, and then gonna run it this way, and I can tell like right there in those little spots. That's where the flowers are gonna be. So they're coming. They're all over the place. So, and here's the peas that. Sorry, hon. They're gonna go away this weekend. I'm gonna find something else to put in there. They've done their thing, but the barrel's cool though. And a doggy sitting out in the sunshine. Quack poopers.